Samyang, and I've already had a very privileged time of actually spending a couple of weeks with both devices. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So I'll give you guys my honest thoughts about these two devices. And for any of you who are considering to get the Note 20 series, not sure whether to choose this one, whether to go for Ultra, then this video, I hope it will be very helpful to you guys. So let's first start with Ultra. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra definitely feels premium. The real flagship phone, it looks beautiful, don't you think? And the display is bigger at 6.9 inch versus 6.7 inch in Note 20. And yes, you can feel the difference. It is humongous. And it does actually feel more premium because of the huge display. And the screen refresh rate is maximum at 120 Hz. At first I thought eyes cannot tell the difference, but it can actually. Just have a look at this. So if you're a gamer, I would recommend Note 20 Ultra. Camera, the zoom is obviously better at 5 times. Other features, I don't feel the difference. However, the optical zoom at 5 times, there is a difference. The storage, which is one of the most important factors for a mobile phone. There is an option for 512GB for Note 20 Ultra in some countries, and also you can insert an extra microSD card. However, I do have S10 Plus with 512GB, and I definitely do not need microSD card. I've been using my phone for 2 years and I'm currently at about 400GB in storage. Lastly, what I really liked about Note 20 Ultra is Edge. It does feel like it's Samsung's signature. I don't see much difference between Edge or curved, but then it just looks better, looks fancy. Then how about Note 20, which is sort of like the youngest sister? Then is it any good? Let me go in a bit more detail. So now on to Note 20. The first is the cover. Everyone complained that it is a plastic cover, but I actually think it's okay. The color looks exactly the same. You can see it here in my video. And also at the end of the day, the first thing that you do when you get a new phone is to get a cover. I always get a cover. And besides reinforced polycarbonate, or you can call it plastic, it is lighter than glass or metal. And most importantly, the S Pen function is more or less the same in Note 20 as to Note 20 Ultra. So you get all the goodies with S Pen that I talked about in previous videos, so please do check them out. Also, I mentioned in the previous video, the camera goodie functions are pretty much the same except the zoom, and also no laser focus, which I found it a little bit hard to actually distinguish the difference. So standard feature quality is not too noticeable. Pro video is there, night mode is there, wide angle video is there, single take is there, and the whole S Pen Bluetooth function, they are there. And the biggest advantage of Note 20 is that it is cheaper. So the difference in price, you can definitely pick up Galaxy Buds Live and still have some change left over. As for S Pen latency, I couldn't tell too much difference in all honesty. Okay, so now on to the conclusion of these two devices. How about me? What would I choose if I had the choice? However, if I had the choice and not limited by the budget, then I would go for Ultra, mainly because of the 512GB availability. But because I run YouTube channel, I am a heavy user of all the storage spaces, so you might actually find 256GB plenty, which is also available in Note 20. So it's really difficult to choose between these two phones. I really think any purchase would be a very happy one. If you liked my honest review, then please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!